Hello, I am Raiyo Aspandiar. I am a process technology development engineer at Intel Corporation in the Assembly Test and Technology Development Group. I am based in Hillsboro, Oregon. The higher level is a lot of advantages because that also helps me look at new technologies that are coming down the pipe, which could then I could go back and see how it helps with our company's roadmap, product roadmap. For instance, in the solders, when I worked in the TIG, this first came up in 2013, where low temperature solders were being looked at. We knew at Intel that we had components that had a very high warpage level, at the 240 to 250 degrees C reflow temperatures, which the SAC solder, the present thin lead mainstream lead-free mainstream SAC solder was being used. But when I looked at the low temperature solders, you don't have to go that high. You could go to about 180 degrees C, and at those temperatures, the Intel components were fairly flat. So it would really help in getting good solder yields at those low temperatures. So that was one way in which I would propose to my management that we should look at the low temperature solders. So Intel's roadmap is mainly to do with the packaging. All our CPUs are put into the packages, and that's where I'm talking about the Intel packaging roadmap. And some of those packaging roadmaps are clearly linked with industry roadmaps for board assembly. Like the industry is the one who industry roadmap defines the solders that are coming up in the future, the methods of soldering, and then we can use that to ensure that our packages that are going to come up in the future can be soldered onto the boards with the various technologies that are either available today or coming up in the future with high yields, so that our customers, who are mainly ODMs, do not get into problems during the soldering. The process runs smoothly.